And that's it for this section. This was obviously another very long section, but you learned a lot about Flutter and about how to work with native device features. We did not just practice some Flutter basics, like working with widgets or adding such a provider, but most importantly, you, for example, learned how to pick an image with help of the image picker library, or how to work with locations, either with help of the location library by getting the current location of a user after checking that we can do that, or by using Google Maps through the Flutter Google Maps library to show this map screen where we were able to tap on the map and pick a location by doing so. So you therefore, of course, also learned in this section that especially when working with native device features, you often have to use third-party packages. And I also mentioned that, of course, you should always go through the installation instructions of those packages to make sure that they work fine. Now then, in this section, we of course also worked with the Google Maps API to convert a location to a human-readable address or show such a snapshot preview. And we of course also made sure that data is stored on the device, that the image is copied to a safe directory, but also that we have a database with which we can work. A database from which we can load places, but of course also a database to which we can save places. And no matter what you're going to build, chances are high that at some point you will need to use some native device feature in your app. And maybe this section already covered the features you might need in your app, but even if it did not, you now should have a solid understanding of how you can use native device features in Flutter and that third-party packages are typically the way to go.